Okay, a rare video from inside the off-grid camper here. Now, some people have ant farms. I have a wasp farm. You can see there are actually two of them in there right now, and they'll carry a piece of mud about the size of their head. It's kind of crazy. Now, I thought about taking them out, like taking the wasp nests out, but then again I was like, well, they're not hurting me, they're not hurting nobody, and this is a rare opportunity to kind of view wasps in action without worrying about getting stung. So you see they've got three nests, one here, there, and above. But right now they are concentrating on this one right here. And it's something else. Okay, here we are outside, and as you can tell, the birds are happy. Okay, start to get a look at the garden here. As you can see, it is going crazy. See if I can get a better view. Alright, as you can see, the okra is going crazy, and I've also got beans that are growing up on the fence here. Okay, my wing jung dummy, which is not done yet. It's kind of been on the back burner since the heat kicked in. Rocket stove I have not been using much. I have not been using the rocket stove much at all, again because of the heat. Alright, out here are tomato plants, and believe it or not, there are pepper plants in here with the cucumbers. And speaking of which, see if you can tell. Nope, I'm trying to get the shading right in the camera. That right there is a cucumber. It is massive. And yeah, they have gotten out of control. So, there's a quick update around the camper here. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else, but no, I guess that's about it. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. A quick update out here in the off-grid camper. And, well, that thing right there for hummingbirds. There are a number of hummingbirds out here, but I haven't seen them really use that or go to it. Anyways, if you guys like this, please check out the website, offthegrid.tips, T-I-P-S, and yeah, till next time, you guys have a good one. Looks like that little black snake just shed its skin. You can see right there. There's a snake. Huh. That's something. I'd seen him hanging out up here the last few days. Get up there and curl up, sunbathing. Looks like he finally shed his skin. Harmless. It's a rat snake. That's something. Looked out the door here and saw he was shedding his skin there. Yet another mini adventure here off the grid.